In order to combat terrorism, therefore, what are the measures that have been put in place in India? इंडिया के अंदर क्या measures लिए गए हैं to overcome terrorism? इसके लिए कुछ चीजें जो है आप नोट कर सकते हैं. India's institutional setup to deal with terrorism firstly includes setting up various intelligence agencies, Intelligence Bureau, RAW, NTRO, and various multi-agency centers that have been set up at the state level. Secondly, you can also mention about various counter-terror operations are also carried out by the security forces, including the NSG, the local police, at times even the armed forces are involved in counter-terror operations. This is our second response to terrorism as a problem. Third, we have also built our investigation and prosecution capabilities. Investigation in terrorism related issues and prosecution of terrorists and prosecution of individuals, those who are supporters of terrorism. For this, you can mention about NIA and UAPA. So this covers the portion of investigation and prosecution related to terrorism. Then fourth part of our strategy related to terrorism has been to enact stringent laws to deal with terrorism. In the past, we have enacted specific laws such as POTA or TADA to deal with terrorist and terrorist organizations. As of now, we have laws like UAPA, we have National Security Act. Under UAPA, terrorist organizations can be declared as terrorist organizations and can be banned. Or we can even invoke the provisions of National Security Act. Or we can even invoke the provisions of the laws such as the IT Act, cyber terrorism, or laws such as the BNS as well include provisions related to terrorism now. तो अगर terrorism के response में इंडिया का क्या strategy रहा है आपको पूछा जाए, you will mention about institutional measures, legal measures, the operational measures, counter-insurgency measures, etc., and the investigation and prosecution measures as a part of our overall framework to deal with terrorism.